Our latest Essex Caliper Spreader Tool has a few notable improvements over the previous version. Thicker steel end plates made to our exact specifications provide a 225% increase in stiffness. This reduces deflection and flex when using the tool. You can also rotate the end plates around a full 360 degrees, allowing you to find the best configuration for tight spaces. Lastly, our redesigned handle mechanism prevents binding under advancement, applying more force smoothly and consistently.
Pad spreader version 2. When you get your pad spreader, you might end up not being able to have enough room for the handle. So you can loosen this barrel nut down here just a little bit, and you can rotate the handle in any direction that you need in order to fit it in the caliper. This is what you'll be looking at once you remove the pads. What you'll notice is the pistons are pushed out. You'll have a space in here. What you want to do is take a little cleaner and a rag. Make sure you go in, clean all of your pistons off really good. You don't want any residual brake dust, debris on the pistons before you push them back into the caliper. If you have a caliper that's a street caliper, they'll have dust boots that'll be rubberized. You won't really need to worry about too much of this, but it's still good practice to clean your pistons off. Once your pistons are clean, you take the spreader, slide it in between the pistons and the disc. Make sure you're capturing all 6 pistons, 4 pistons, however many you have in your caliper. And then you want to slightly press the handles. Now, we don't have any hydraulic pressure on this, so these are going to move pretty easy. Your caliper is probably not going to move as easy. What you want to do is give it a squeeze, let the pistons relax and push back in before you squeeze the handle again. And you're just going to repeat that procedure until all of your pistons are pushed back. Now, you're probably going to get one side pushes before the other, and that's okay. Just keep going until all of the pistons are retracted fully back into the caliper. What you don't want to do is continually try to ratchet on the handle, because that can cause the tool to distort and possibly not function properly. Once the pistons are all the way back in, hold the tool, press the release button, slide the tool out of your way.